This is Madam Peku Africa, and I'm standing directly in front of Mercy Divine Properties office right now. As you can see, this is our office premises, and we are about to leave this place to New Banana Island for inspection. All right, as you can see, we have some of our staffs here that will be going, and some of our clients already here in their different cars, and they'll be following us for inspection. Okay, we are heading straight to New Banana Island, and New Banana Island is located just off Odili Road, and is selling for 7 million naira per plot. A plot is 465 square meter. So you can call Madam Peku on 090-342-96519 to get your own plot of New Banana Island. In case you want to locate our office, this is our office premises, number 181 Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. When you come to the office, you just let them know that Madam Peku Africa directed you to come. Now, Madam, good news I be, and I don't give you the good news, and they wait for you, okay?